Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to attach a file in email. So an attachment, it is like a file that is sent with an email message. It can be an image or a video or a text document or any other type of file. So to learn more about the attachment in an email, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am on my Outlook, so I need to click on new email. Now let me select the info text for you. So this is the person I'm going to send the email. The subject will be let's say check documentation and review. So I'm going to send the text like now for attaching the documentation, what we need to do is we need to click on insert from over here, click on attach file, then you can click on browse this PC. So now you can select the document. Let's say I'm going to click on, let's say I'm going to click this one, the email file.txt, and click on insert. So now this file has been attached. So if I click on send, so now the file has been sent along with the attachment. If you go to Outbox, you can see that it is in your Outbox. Now if you open it, so that means that the message has been sent. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have covered how to attach a file in email. Thank you for watching.